Alright, time for a stats deep dive. Welcome back, I'm Raj. So click the stats section on your dashboard. Now you will go into seeing the stats for the quarter. The first thing you'll notice is the overview showing your total scans, your active tips, your inactive support, and the total estimated money earned. Here you will see the year as well as the quarter in which you are viewing. Now you'll see your scans by month, the total tips earned combined, your active tips versus inactive tips. Remember, if you enable it, you can accept tips and support even when you are not at an active gig. Your inactive page will accept support. The inactive support history. You can go through all of your inactive support. Your combined performance versus the combined performance shows how many scans you have and how many tips you've earned. You can view it monthly, by all time, and you can also view by bar graph or pie chart. The next section is recent events, where you will see your most recently completed events. You can view all to go right into the event history and see every event that you've done. There are many filters to help you refine what you see and the data that you have. Let's take a look at this example gig. You can see the call to action that we used and the welcome message. This is important because we can go back in time and see which welcome messages or calls to action work better for us and use that tactically in the future to make better welcome messages or better calls to action that get our fans engaged and tipping. You can also see the previous messages and information left by the fans so that way you can download the CSV and add them to any kind of mailing list that you have, or just send them a text message. Communicate with them. They want to talk to you. They are your fans. Again, you can download all of this as CSVs, which is spreadsheet data you can import and use elsewhere. Please be mindful of the laws and do not misuse any customer information. For more info on how to get the most out of Gigonomix, make sure you join our weekly Zoom calls where we have our open office hours. We talk to you about Gigonomix, the platform, how your career is going, offer advice, and have surprise guests and more. So check out our weekly Zooms at gigonomix.io.